Hello everyone. In last period, we have studied about the practice set 1.1. In that, we have studied about the how the number lines is measured and how the uh, points are plotted on the number lines. Okay, but the Avishkar has some query. I think if you have studied practice set 1.1, then you must have the query regarding that number lines and the other details. But now in this period, we are going to discuss about the how the number line is formed and the how what is the how the analyze the unit of the number line. Okay, now you can see that in last lesson, in last period we I told you that if I say that the rational number is like 2 upon 4 or 3 upon 5, just see on these numbers, these are the both are the rational numbers, and here numerator is 2, here numerator is 3, here denominator is 4, and here denominator is 5. But how these numbers are plotted on the number lines? Okay, I already told you that the unit of the number line is based on the denominator. Okay, have you understood? The unit of the number line is depends on the denominator. Okay, now what is the unit of this number line? Avishkar told me that there are some query regarding there was some query regarding the what is how to know the unit of the particular number line. Okay, but I will told you that I had told you that how to analyze or how to know the unit of the number line. First of all, we will see the what is the unit of this number line. Before they are going that, we must know what is the unit. What is unit? Unit is nothing but the points between these two numbers. Right between the two numbers. How many points between the two numbers? Just like from 0 we calculate how many points. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is here the unit is 4. Whatever the numerator it is, but this number line has denominator must be 4. Okay. Now plot some numbers on this number line, just like 5 upon 4. How we plot this number? 5 upon 4. How we plot this number? Okay. First of all, 4 is nothing but unit, so that's why it must have the 4 points between two numbers. Like from 0 to 1, it must have 4 points, just like after 0, 1, 2, 3, and that one is 4. Fourth one point is it must be number. Just like these between these number 1, 2, 3, and 4. First number is ignored. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Between these two numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just see these negative numbers. Between these two numbers -1 and -2, there are 4 points, just like 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the 4th point, the number is plotted. Have you understood that? Then how this number is plotted on this number line? Okay, listen. First, how many this is numerator? From the numerator we can calculate that. From the numerator we can calculate that if the numerator is greater than, listen, if the numerator is greater than denominator, then this number which counted from the 0, just like here it is a numerator. Numerator is a 5. So from this we calculate 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is a 5. That's why here is a 5 upon 4. Have you understood? Okay. Now this number is in another way we can plot or we can say this number in another way, just like the 1 integer 1 upon 4. How it is? Here number is 5 upon 4 is measured in or said in the form of 1 integer 1 upon 4. Just listen. You have to whenever the numerator is greater than denominator, at that time you can divide this number. You can divide this number by using denominator. Just like a 4 ones are 4. How many remaining? 1. That means 1 upon 4. Have you understood? Now we can see the another example. If I said 9 upon 4, how we can write this in this format? Just like a 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8. How many remaining? 1 upon 4. Have you understood? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and after that 1 upon 4. Now we will see that another number 7 upon 4. 4 ones are 4. How many remaining? 3. So that's why we cannot divide the 3 by 4. So that's why 3 upon 4. Then after that, how these numbers are plotted on this number line? How? Now we will see that this is the rational number. Okay, rational number. Then how this number is plotted on the number line. Now here just we have to go after the 2. That means first of all we have to go to here. Have you understood? Here. After that 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means that means just you have to count this number from the 2. That is 2 has completed. After that 1 upon 4. That means this is 2 integer 1 upon 4. This is 2 integer 1 upon 4. Okay. Now if I say that minus 10 upon 4, this can be calculated by 4 twos are 8 and after upon 2 upon 4, and this is the negative. That means 2 minus 2 integer 2 upon 4. Okay. How this number is plotted on this number? First of all 2 minus 2 where it is? Here. Okay. After that 2 upon 4. Here minus 2 has completed. After that 2 points. Here these are the 2 points. 1 and 2. And this will be minus. That's why we have been plotted from the negative side. 2 minus 2 it is. Yes. After that 2 points. 1 and 2. And here is our point. Minus 2 integer 2 upon 4. Okay, I think you have understood everything about that. Practice 1.1. Just practice this. Practice set 1.1. If you have any query, then you can ask me directly. Thank you.